Hello, good morning. Today we will be making our Canadian wild rice with mushroom and onions. So these are our ingredients. Ayan, we have wild rice. And then we have onions and of course our mushroom. Okay, here is our mushroom and I just slice it into thin pieces like that. So it's ready to cook. And I already cooked my wild rice, so this is 1 cup and it's a lot, so you just have to add 4 cups of water, and this is how it looks like, our wild rice. Yummy. Now let's saute our onions first until it's a little bit brown. Then we can add our mushroom and stir. There's our mushroom. Now we're ready to add our black rice. Here is our ready-made wild rice with mushroom, and you can also add salt and pepper if you want. Enjoy!